Hello, I'm just going to do another airsoft gun review. This time it's of a handgun. Now on there, the P.618 150 FPS. It might look a bit pinky at sometimes, but it's actually orange. The colouring might be a bit messed up because of the lighting, artificial light. This is made in China. That's what the only engravings on it. It's full plastic, like even the barrel, the iron sights. Quite an accurate gun. Fake hammer doesn't work because it's fake. Has the fake safety and barrel stay just for looks as well, and the mag release. So you just press it and the mag will drop out, and it's single shot, 190 FPS or feet per second, some people like to call it. Fake ejection port. This is the magazine. It holds 10 BBs. So all you do is pull the spring down and it locks in the bottom there, and I'll just show you how you load it. All you do after you've got some pellets out is grab one, and after the spring you have to lock the spring down and just hold it down, push them in one by one. I'll put like 4 or 5 in now. And then all you do, you can either release the spring at this point, or after you insert it into the gun it will do it automatically. And see, it's already released. And so it's a single shot, so I'll pop it now. Very easy to do. And that's empty. 3 pellets came out of the. Oh, there's the last one. Screw the top in here. Okay, so we'll get back to the gun now. It's made by CYMA, or CYMA. I have no idea what them 2 dent bits are for, on each side. It's a small gun. Has quite a good look to it though. And